Mahashivaratri. What is the spiritual significance of Mahashivaratri? Maha means the greatest. Shiva is purest. And Ratri is night. What is the meaning of this? It is the night of greatest purification of ourselves. So, Mahashivaratri indicates or depicts an occasion wherein we will be able to look inwards and purify the purest inside us to bring it out during night. Why night? In the day, when the light is there, we are distracted by our senses and we feel like seeing, doing something and all that. And to prevent that, in the night, in the darkness deep inside, we must be able to search the Shiva within. So that is the significance of Mahashivaratri. Why should we do Upavasa? What is Upavasa? Normally we think Upavasa is fasting. Actual meaning is Upa is near, Vasa is staying. So you stay near him, the Shiva, which is within you. So staying with him is the meaning of Upavasa. Whereas Jagarane or Jagrahana, that is being awake, always being awake and being aware even during night and even during darkness, awake within. It is not the simply loss of sleep, lack of sleep. It is you are awake even during sleep, even during the darkness within. So searching within the darkness the real truth, and for once in a year at least we will be aware of the real truth, which is always covered by the day. That is the real meaning of Mahashivaratri.